What is up, what is up, family? It's your girl, Ariana Miche, back with another video, back with another banger, back with another vlog. So before I get this video started, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and also share us out, because we'll be dropping bangers all 2024. Also turn your post notifications on so you may get notified with me when I post another video. And also, if you haven't already, go on over to the family channel and subscribe, because we will be dropping bangers over there as well. So yeah, so today I haven't done a reaction video in a minute, so I'm going to do a reaction video. So I watched this show called 911. So good. It is so good. We thought it wasn't going to be a season 7, but ABC 7 renewed it, period. So I was going to react to the season 7 trailer, but I'm just going to react to the first episode. So spoiler alert, if you haven't watched 911 before, I'm going to do a little spoiler alert. Last season, I can't think of her name. The lady that Angela Bassett played on the show, and her husband, they never went like on, I guess you say, a honeymoon, right? So they're finally going on a honeymoon, and they're going on a cruise ship. They didn't tell nobody nothing. They was going to call and tell them that they went on a cruise. They went on a cruise once they got on the ship. But in this teaser, in this promo episode for season 7, episode 1, it took an unexpected turn. So let's just get right into it. Let me see. Okay.
What's your emergency?
I'm on a cruise ship! There was an explosion!
I have your location. Help is on the way.
Yeah. That's crazy. Like I told y'all, the last season, the last episode, so I'm gonna play a little of it so y'all can hear how 6/18 ended. So let's see.
You want to help me pick out a new couch? Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Whenever you're ready, take one last breath. Let's go.
I can't believe we're doing this.
Well, last minute cancellation. How can we pass up this opportunity?
Oh, we didn't tell anyone that we're going.
Well, we'll call them when we get there.
Oh, or maybe not.
So y'all see how it correlates with next season. So yeah, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be a good episode. I just pray to God, them the two main characters, I just pray they don't kill them off. They can't kill them off this first episode. Like, what? But it's gonna be fire. The episode gonna be fire. I'm telling you, I can't wait. You know, come on to March 14th. I'm geeked. I'm excited. I'm watching it the same day. I'm not watching on Hulu. Well, I can't watch it same. Hell yeah, I'm watching it the same day. I'm gonna be at work watching it on lunch, because What? You think I'm gonna miss that episode? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm watching the same freaking day. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoy this reaction. If y'all want to see more reactions, let me know down below. And what y'all want me to react to, I'm down for anything. Let me know. Also, make sure you like, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and also leave it turn on your post notification so you may get notified when I post a video, and also share me out. But anyway, it's your girl Ariana Miche. Bless, love, bless. I'll see y'all next vlog. I love y'all. Peace.